Oh, it's pretty bad in here, especially this poor lilac tree. I don't think it needs a cage around it anymore. I've been ripping this fabric, garden fabric, out of here. See, strangling the trees. I'm gonna cut it. See, got the garden fabric out of there because it was strangling these trees, and that's why this tree is like over 10 years old and there's like one dead flower on it. It's because it was being strangled, even though it was getting tons of water. It was strangled by garden fabric, this stuff. And look at the poor roots. They were underneath it looking for water. Anyway, I'm going to rip the rest of it off, weed it, and oh, hi Bellatrix, and put my awesome soil, which is soil / bark mulch / compost. I'll put it in there. It's gonna look awesome. Look at all that fabric. Anyway, so what you do is you take the fabric off to about this much around, and I dug right in here like this to get all that crummy gravel and dirt, whatever was in here. No wonder this thing hasn't been growing. So I dug it in. Now I'm gonna put the good stuff in. So I put the bark mulch, soil, compost mixture there. I just wanted to say real quick, don't volcano your bark mulch or whatever up to here like I see some people do in my neighborhood. It's not good for the roots. It gets rotten. So hopefully this thing will be happy now. And now I just have to do the whole rest of this line. When taking a break, best thing to have is, look how dirty my nails are. Ugh. Oh well. Best thing to have is ice cream cone. And in the night, so much cooler. I painted that fence, by the way. There's my road. I own all up behind there too. And all that. There's a walkway to my casa. Garden over there. Lawn over here. I've been working on my house a lot lately. Does that look good? Just got it repainted. As you can see from my other video, it was only $3,500.